Hello everyone. So I'm going to be going over a couple range of motions and muscle testing today for the thoracolumbar region. And so we'll start off with thoracolumbar flexion, active range of motion. So you'll want to do this with a tape measure as well. So grab this. The two landmarks we're using, C7 up here. Can you look down for me? Can you look up? All right, and I found it right here, and S2. First, for S2, you have to find the posterior superior iliac spine, and right in the middle of that is S2, so it's about right there. So, to start, you'll measure, let's get centimeters. You'll measure in centimeters from S2 to C7. We'll start going like this. All right. So, we'll start here in standing, and that's going to be 19 and a half centimeters. No, that's inches. Oops. That didn't make sense. All right, so we got 50 centimeters here, okay? So to start off with that, now we'll put them into flexion. So we'll have the patient touch their toes with keeping their knees straight. All right, so you want to do that for me? All right, perfect. So the knees are straight. You'll use the same landmarks. Make sure it's in centimeters. And with this, we get 60 centimeters. So you take the difference between the second measurement and the first. So it was 60 and 50. So we have a total thoracolumbar flexion range of motion of 10 degrees. All right, so now we're going to do a muscle testing for the back extensors, specifically the erector spinae. So to test this, we'll have a grading scale from 0 to 5, and so we'll start off with 5. So we'll have the patient put their hands behind their neck, interlock your fingers. All right, and you're going to be palpating around this area in the back, around the spine, okay? To stabilize, you'll grab one of your forearms, and you'll place it on the posterior part of their thigh, and then can you extend your back up? Perfect. All right, and relax. So that will be a 5. For grade 4, we'll have the patient put their arms behind their back. So just place your arms like that, perfect. And you'll do the same exact thing, same stabilization, same palpation, and then can you extend for me? Perfect. Make sure you can relax. With these, you want to make sure they get the chest fully off the table. If they can't do the grade 4, then we'll move on to a grade 3. So you'll place your hands at your sides. And then again, same thing, always the stabilization on the posterior thigh, palpating right here, and then can you extend? Perfect. And again, you're making sure they get that chest off the table. Now for a grade 2, same thing, hands at the sides, and stabilization, but if they can't get through the full range of motion, like they get a little bit up, but they can't fully get the chest off the table, then that's a grade 2. Then a grade 1, you really want to palpate the muscles, making sure those are contracting, even though they cannot get the chest off the table at all. They're not really moving. And then a grade 0 would be zero muscle palpation at all, so they're not even contracting their muscle.